Ha?
Biya kayo ng Gcash.
Yeah. Kuya, number. Kuya. Yeah.
Okay, ito na yun ha. Nalagay ko na.
Kuya, salamat talaga.
Wala ka
Wait lang,
naman.
kuya. Wait lang. Ate, subscribe natin.
2525.
Hoy, may pambi.
Huwag na kayo mahiya. Tayo Pilipino din naman ako eh.
Hay! Talo.
Ilocano po kayo, Tatang? Ilocano Ahmad.
Ilocano, Tagalog. Ay,
Ilocano mat lang.
Okay.
I know wala. Wala means nothing, right?
Guwapo
Nothing?
siya.
Yes.
You're guwapo.
Oh, you're guwapo.
Anong magagawa?
You understand what is guwapo?
Saan ka pupunta?
Sa puso mo?
Aba, ano siya ba? Saan ka pupunta?
Sa puso mo.
Pwedeng ka
Did
dahil.
I say it right? Okay.
Manurong
If,
with
if
your
I
girlfriend.
makawat ang Ilocano.
We, makawat kay Lucano, naglaing mo gayam ha, kaya doon mo nga istorya.
What's up mga kabayan? If you're new here, I'm Famo, half Arab, half Filipino, and also American. I was born and raised in the Philippines, which means I speak fluent Tagalog, which makes my interactions with other Filipinos like a little interesting because they assume that I don't speak Tagalog at all. It makes my interactions with my Filipino brothers and sisters really funny because they can't believe that I speak in Tagalog. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps. Hit the like button. That helps too. But that's it. Salamat po. Okay, tara. Let's go. Let's find some Filipinos out there.
Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka means how are you, right?
Yes. And, ano pa? Magandang umaga.
Oh, that's good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know some basic ones.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you have to make it hard for me. Give me 3 words that I might not know.
Naka-Philippine server.
May 3 words daw. Ano?
3 words.
Yeah, 1 word first.
1 word.
How about this? If I get it wrong, I'll give you Gcash.
Sige.
Hold on.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
If I have to get it wrong. If I get it wrong, I'll give you Gcash. If I get it right, no Gcash.
Yes. Okay.
Ganito.
Give me word.
Wait.
Wait.
Oh, what are you doing? Wait, why is he?
Wait.
You guys are cheating.
Hiya. Darling.
That sounds like Chinese.
Dali.
That sounds like Chinese. That doesn't sound like Tagalog.
Come here in Philippines and you see, may Uncle Pacquiao.
Your uncle's Pacquiao?
You know Pacquiao?
I know Pacquiao.
That's my uncle, bro.
This.
High five.
Fist bump.
Fist bump.
There you go. Alright, give me a word. Where's the hard word?
Wait, I will call my Uncle Pacquiao.
Bigyan siya. Ay, ganito.
Sorry, he didn't answer my call.
Where's Pacquiao?
In mansion. I'm here in condo.
Oh, you're in the mansion right now?
No, I'm here in condo. I'm the only one nephew Pacquiao.
Okay.
Ayun, ito. Lalagyan.
You know lalagyan.
Okay, send number.
Yes! Gcash! Sorry, bro.
Wait. I'm thinking. Because I know Lagay.
Oops.
Lagay is like to put.
Ano yung lalagyan? And what's lalagyan?
Is lalagyan like something
Is
you put
lalagyan like
something?
something you put something?
No, it's
No,
not, bro.
it's not. It's not.
Ah, it
bro.
is. He said.
Ah, it
He
is.
said. He said it.
He said
It is.
It is.
Do you
I
know?
saw it.
Lalagyan.
Gcash.
No, he said it. He
Gcash.
said it. I
He said
know.
it, he said
Need
it,
another
I know.
word.
Another word.
Yeah, I guessed it.
Yeah,
I saw
guessed
it.
I saw it.
Ano yung sabi niya? Ano yung sabi niya?
I
Ano
guessed it
lalagyan?
right.
What's
I guessed it right.
It's something
You
where
know
you place
lalagyan.
onto
Something where you
something.
place onto something.
No.
See, you just did
See,
this.
you just did this.
Good.
Nice.
Basahan.
Nice, nice.
Alam niyo ba basahan?
Oh. Next word,
I don't
basahan.
need
Basahan.
Gcash
You have two
because-
more words.
You have two more words.
Basahan.
Oh,
Basahan.
Oh, basaha.
oh, basahan.
Gcash.
I know basa
I know basa.
is
Basahan.
wet.
What's
It's
basa?
wet.
Oh, yeah,
Basa
yeah.
wet,
Yeah,
right?
it's
Basa wet, right?
Yes,
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 yes.
yes. Basahan.
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 It's basa is
It's
read,
basa
right?
is read, right?
The reading.
Oh.
basa.
Reading.
Basa is
Oh,
read.
basa.
Basa is
Oh, basa.
Basa is wet.
basa is wet. The accent, the
So
accent.
basahan is
Basahan
something you wipe,
is something you wipe.
Basa.
like
Yeah,
you're wiping
yeah.
it, like a
Like you're
rug.
wiping it, like a rug.
Correct. It's correct. It's
Oh, I
correct,
got
bro.
two.
Oh,
Nice, bro. Nice, bro.
One more.
Next
One
one.
more,
Next
one more.
one.
Are you
Last
a
one.
Filipino, half Filipino?
You wanna look Filipino?
Well, Filipino.
Parang naduduga kami dito.
Parang
Ano ba?
ano tayo dito, na i-scam tayo dito eh.
Do I look Filipino to you?
Do I look Filipino to you?
Yes, I'm Filipino because I'm proud to be Filipino because my Uncle Pacquiao.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Uy, isa pa word.
Kalan. Kalan. What is kalan?
Shilin na lang sabihin nyo.
Kalan?
Kalan.
Ano? Kalan.
Kalan.
Kalandian.
Kalan.
Oh, that's hard. That one
Oh,
I
that's
don't know.
hard. That one I don't know.
Bro, wait.
Oh, Gcash! Wait lang, asan yung number?
Send Gcash, bro.
Kalan.
We love you.
Oh, wait, Kalan. I
Oh,
know.
wait, Kalan. I know.
Aray ko, you search it,
Like this.
bro.
Like this.
You search it,
Bro,
bro.
you search it, bro.
Like this, what is this?
Like this, what is this?
Search it.
Ha?
Pala.
No, it's not.
Like this.
Wala,
Like this.
hindi yan,
What
hindi
is
yan,
that?
hindi
No.
yan.
This, you
Ano
put
yan?
something,
Yes, you put something,
and then
Pan
you
yan,
cook.
ano yan?
and then you cook.
Tawag sa ano, sa...
Frying pan.
Oo, frying pan yan
It's
eh.
frying
Yung parang
pan.
ano yun.
It's
I knew
frying
it.
pan.
No,
I
no,
knew it.
No,
I
no.
knew it. It's frying
I
pan.
knew it. It's frying pan.
Is that frying pan?
Galan.
That frying pan?
You gave me a clue.
You gave me a clue.
You gave me a clue.
You
You
gave me a
search it,
clue.
bro. You search it. Don't lie.
No, you gave me a clue. You said
No, you
frying
gave me a
pan.
clue. You said frying pan.
So that means it's
Yeah,
a stove.
that's
That means it's a
glue.
stove.
It's the
That's
stove.
not glue.
It's the stove.
Kalan is
Wala na,
stove.
alam mo.
Kalan is stove.
You told
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
You
Yeah.
told me.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Search
You
it, bro.
search it. You search it. You search it, bro.
Stop scamming, bro.
Yeah, I did. I
will
did.
say
I did
to
search it.
I did search it.
Okay, wait.
I will tell
Okay, wait.
I did search it.
I did search it.
I searched it.
So you
I
can
searched
send us...
I searched it. I searched it in my
I
brain.
searched it in my brain.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Bro, I will tell this to my Uncle Pacquiao. Gcash! Be ready, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Show me
Tell me-
Uncle Pacquiao
show
right
me
now. I'll give
Uncle
you
Pacquiao
Gcash.
right now. I'll give you Gcash.
Where's Gcash? Where's
Where's
Pacquiao?
Gcash? Where's Pacquiao?
Pupunta pa kami sa mansion. Nasa kondo kami.
Bakit malayo ba dyan?
Bakit malayo ba dyan?
Yeah! Tagalog ka. Tagalog ka ate. Niloloko mo kami.
Aray ko, sabi ko sa'yo, Tagalog yan eh. Naka-Pilipino, naka-Pinoy server eh.
What was that?
Babay na nga.
What was that?
Aray ko, nagtatanong pa kung
What?
ano yun.
No, I don't understand what you're
No, I
saying.
don't understand what you're saying.
What you say?
What you say?
Mga idol, wag mo kami niloloko. Aning na kami.
Okay. Nagko-content ako sa YouTube talaga ngayon.
Nagko-content ako sa YouTube talaga ngayon.
Dahil magaling kayo, bibigyan ko kayo ng Gcash.
Bibigyan ko kayo ng Gcash.
Ha?
Bibigyan kayo ng Gcash.
Bibigyan kayo ng Gcash.
Yeah. Kuya, number. Kuya.
Subscribe po mga
Subscribe muna kayo.
Subscribe muna kayo.
Send agad. I will subscribe you, bro.
I will subscribe.
I will
I will subscribe.
Ipapakilala ka namin sa mga...
Angka namin. Oo, marami kami. Sobra. So many more.
Ipapakilala mo kayo Pacquiao?
Ipapakilala mo kay Pacquiao?
Oo. Kalbo lang yun. Kalbo na. Ay, kamukha lang pala ni Pacquiao. Tinan mo watch and
Tulungan natin
learn.
yung mga Pinoy.
Oh, watch and learn daw.
Shoutout
watch and learn daw.
sa mga Pinoy dyan.
Shoutout sa
Pinoy.
inyo, boss.
Oh!
Shoutout.
Wait lang pa, Janine Galang sa balota. Idol, idol.
Wow!
Hindi ka siya. Tandagan.
Okay, wait.
Sorry.
Isa na ako tanong.
Wait, isa mo na ako tanong.
Wala
Wait,
kang
wait.
Japan.
Wait.
Ano sa Tagalog yung
Ano sa
I
Tagalog
love you?
yung I love
Yung
you?
sa gitna.
Mahal kita! Mahal ka namin. Mahal namin kayo, guys.
Ito.
Lahat ng manonood.
Ba, magaling talaga mga batang to.
Okay, talaga itong mga batang to.
Okay,
Wait. Madami
Okay.
dito. Wait lang.
bibigyan ko na kayo Gcash.
Bibigyan ko na kayo Gcash.
I love you ka sa akin, kuya. Ang sarap mo, boss. Iniscam mo kami, ha? Kunyari ka. Pinoy ka pala.
Niloloko ka lang namin. Alam na namin talaga.
Hindi, alam-
Kaya
Hindi,
tinatawag
di mo
niya din
alam.
ako.
Hindi mo alam.
Ah, hindi, kuya, alam ko na kanina pa na Pinoy ka.
Kaya tinatawag niya ako.
Oo.
Talaga?
Duda na ako kanina eh.
Oh.
Mukha ba
Duda
akong
na ako
Pinoy?
kanina eh.
Mukha ba akong Pinoy?
Di mo na ako
Hindi naman
Pinoy,
mukha,
ah.
pero...
Wala akong Pinoy ah.
Di naman, parang ang tagal na dito sa Pilipinas.
Kaya nga eh.
Yung ano niya, no, yung salita
Salita
niya.
niya. Tapos yung kanina, ang lutong ng pagkasabi niya na ano, mahal
Ay.
kita, parang
Oo.
nantitipid
Doon pa lang
lang.
nakita ko
Tapos
na...
lumapit ako kay kuya,
Doon
ano
pa
ba
lang.
talaga to?
Di ba kaya ako lumapit? Doon pa lang narinig ko eh. Mahal
Galing-
kita,
galing
aray.
mahula eh, no?
Galing manghula eh, no?
Aray ko.
Tapos sinasabi na,
Aray ko, 5,000 to. Ay!
ay,
Yan ang
thank
pangalan
you
niya.
so much, kuya.
Thank
Kahit
you,
Hindi,
kuya.
kailangan pangalan, type nyo.
Kailangan pangalan, type nyo.
Pati pangalan.
Pati daw pangalan.
Okay, ito na yun, ha? Nalagay ko na.
Nalagay ko na.
Nananahimik kami,
Kuya,
kuya,
manolo
nakahiga eh.
split kasi ako sana sa'yo. Kaya nagpatulong na ako.
Nananahimik kami sa gilid eh.
Sa
Pinoy
pamirienda
ka
nyo,
pala?
ha?
Sa pamirienda nyo ah.
Yes! Thank you very much.
Merienda pang SM.
Yeah.
Aray ko.
Dali. Yung isa naming iPhone.
1K isang subscribe, 5 kami. Aray ko.
Joke lang.
Ah, ito na, ha?
Kuya,
Ito na ah.
Sana okay na yan, ha?
Hindi
Sana
na
okay na yan ah.
Kulay white. Hindi kami makita. $45. Oh my God! Magkano?
Okay.
Kuya, salamat talaga.
Wala ka
Wait lang,
naman.
kuya.
Wala naman.
Wait lang. Ate, subscribe natin.
25.
Hoy, may pambili na akong sapato. Kuya. What? Isa pa.
Gagalit na mga bata to.
Galit na mga bata to.
Okay na, nabit.
Ito kuya. Aray ko, paldo. May paldo na ako kuya pang ML.
Kuya, salamat talaga. Kuya,
Sige. Ingat kayo. God bless, ha?
Ingat kayo, God bless ah.
Oh, salamat kuya.
thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Thank you
salamat,
po sa
kuya.
panonood. Thank you
Manood,
po.
panoodin nyo siya, mga
Guys,
bossing.
subscribe nyo.
Oh, makinig kayo dyan,
Mo,
ah.
kuya.
Paano kayo dyan ah?
Pinoy yan.
Pinoy yan.
Nag-scam lang yan. Pinoy yan.
Guys, subscribe nyo po si Famo. Guys, subscribe po. Tulungan po
salamat.
natin ang
Maraming
Pinoy.
salamat.
Guys, tulungan
God
natin
bless.
sila.
God bless. Sige
God
na.
bless. God
God
bless.
bless
Sige na.
po. Thank you po.
Sige, bye-bye.
Thank you
Sige,
po
bye-bye.
ulit.
Antayin na lang namin kayo yung video. Salamat.
Yeah.
Thank you po.
Sige.
Thank you, kuya.
Salamat kuya.
Thank you.
Hey, Philippines. Hey, kamusta kayo?
Kamusta kayo?
Ano ka? Kumusta siya?
Mabuti?
Do you know how to speak?
Mabuti?
Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Konti po.
Konti po.
Hello, Conte. We're good.
Are you in the Philippines?
Are you in the Philippines?
Yes.
Which part?
I'm in Davao.
Oh, wow. Mindanao, right?
Oh wow, Mindanao, right?
Yeah. Yes. Mindanao.
Oh, man. I love Mindanao. I haven't been there.
Have you been
Mindanao. I
here?
haven't been there.
Have you been here?
I've been to Luzon.
I've been to Luzon.
Luzon.
Yeah, I've never been to Visayas or
Luzon.
Yeah,
Mindanao.
I've never been to Visayas or Mindanao.
But maybe the next time I'll
But,
visit
maybe
you
the next
guys.
time I'll visit you guys.
Oh, do you have blah.
What did you say?
What did you say?
Wala.
Well, I know wala. Wala means nothing, right?
Wala means nothing, right?
Guwapo
Nothing?
siya. Yes.
Nothing?
You're guwapo. Oh, you're guwapo.
Anong magagawa? Laging
You understand what is guwapo?
malapit ka.
That's that, right?
Why are you
That's
No.
that, right?
Because I understand that.
Because
I understand guapo.
I
handsome?
understand guapo.
You like guapo. You are guapo.
And you are guapa.
And you are guapa.
Oh, thank you.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Ah!
Like you're just looking for friends?
Like you're just looking for friends?
Yes.
Is this your daughter?
Is this your daughter?
No.
my sister.
This is my sister.
Oh, sister. Sorry.
Oh, sister, sorry.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you speak Tagalog?
Do you speak Tagalog?
Yes.
Did you know how to speak Tagalog, Marjorie?
Yes.
You're not speaking.
Palaka.
Yes.
Palaka sa bake.
Palaka is frog.
Yes.
Palaka is frog.
Palaka is frog.
Jeep.
How do you say,
How do you say
where are you going?
Saan ka punta?
San?
Saan
What?
ka pupunta?
son? What?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan ka pupunta?
Sa puso mo?
Ala, ano siya ba? Saan ka punta?
Puso mo.
Puso mo.
Did I say it right?
Did I say it right?
Yes, you say it right.
Baliw.
No? I said it wrong?
No, I said it wrong.
No.
Small bad words.
Oh, sa puso mo is bad word?
So puso mo is that word?
You will hear in my kasingkas.
I said a bad word?
I said a bad word?
No.
What's the best thing to do
What's the
in
best
Davao?
thing to do in Davao?
What's the best?
What's the best thing to do in Davao?
What's the best thing to do in Davao?
What's the best thing to do in Davao? Magpasyal.
Punta ng mga
What's that?
What's that?
Saan pasyal? Going to somewhere like mall, beach, ana.
Oh,
Yeah.
mall and beach.
Oh, Mall and Beach.
Okay.
Manuroy.
Okay.
With
If
your
I
girlfriend.
If I
Do you have girlfriend?
with my girlfriend,
with my girlfriend,
Friend.
Yes.
are you getting nosebleed?
are you getting nosebleed?
I'm getting know you?
Are you getting nosebleed?
Are you getting nosebleed?
Huh? I didn't
Nosebleed.
understand.
Nosebleed.
No.
No nosebleed?
No. Konti.
Do you want to just speak in Tagalog?
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 I can.
Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Yes, of course.
Hindi mag-Tagalog lang tayo.
Hindi mag-Tagalog lang tayo.
Tagalog na lang daw kayo.
Tagalog na lang.
It's better.
Tagalog na lang.
Okay, it's up to you.
Sorry. Maganda pa.
Tagalog na lang.
Tagalog na lang.
Sure.
Sure, yeah, sure.
Oh,
Marunong ako mag-Tagalog.
Marunong ako mag-Tagalog.
Oh, marunong daw siya.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog.
Kayo pa, hindi kayo marunong mag-Tagalog?
Kayo pa, hindi kayo marunong mag-Tagalog?
Hindi masyado dahil lumaki kami na Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Speaking Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Yes,
Yes,
po.
Bisaya. Mindanao is Bisaya.
Hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya. Pwede
Hindi
ba ako
ako
turuan?
marunong mag-Bisaya. Pwede ba ako turuan?
Ba't ang fluent mo mag-Tagalog? Nakatira ka ng Pilipinas. Nasa Pilipinas ka, no?
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Diyan,
Galing mo
diyan,
mag-Tagalog, ba?
diyan po ako pinanganak.
Diyan po ako pinanganak.
Ay, dito ka pinanganak.
Apa.
Saang lugar?
Sa Luzon po.
Sa Luzon po.
Luzon.
Saan sa Luzon?
Sa Nueva Ecija po.
Sa Nueva Ecija po.
Ay, Nueva Ecija. Yeah. Mama ko taga Nueva Ecija sa Cabanatuan.
Ay!
Ay,
Diyan po ako lumaki.
diyan po ako lumaki.
Wow, galing.
Tagalog na Tagalog po yun.
Mixing kami, Tagalog, Bisaya, Ilocano.
Ilocano po yung...
Ilocano.
Ilocano po yung...
Ano pa?
Makataros ka, Ilocano.
Makawat ang Ilocano.
Makawat ang Ilocano.
We, makawat kay Ilocano, naglaing mo gayam ha, kaya doon mo nga istorya. Ano?
What does it
Well,
mean?
Ilocano ak manang.
Ilocano at Manang.
Ilocano ka gayam.
Well,
Do you know to speak Ilocano?
marunong ako mag-Ilocano.
Nag-istorya ka nga Rudan, mangutana ka pa kung kabalo niya.
Ingo ko gusto raw, nana. I don't know.
Pero,
Ilocano, my God.
kailangan ko matutunan
Sorry
Bisaya.
if I interrupt.
Kailangan ko matutunan Bisaya.
Kailangan ko matutunan ng Bisaya.
Okay, sorry if I interrupt.
Hindi pa, you're not
Ay,
interrupting.
hindi pa, you're not interrupting.
Tahimik na si Palaka.
Timos.
Pala ka.
Timos.
Don't listen to her.
Kanina maingay si Palaka.
Kanina maingay si pala ka.
Agyaman at kanyayo.
Agyaman ang tenyayo.
Awan ti anyaman na. Ano niya, agyaman na kanyayo, salamat. Ana.
Salamat kaayo yun. Salamat kaayo.
Salamat kayo yun. Salamat kayo.
Salamat kay Arigato.
Arigato.
Arigato. Sige na.
Arigato. Sige na.
Sige na. Ingat.
Bye.
Ingat. God bless.
Ingat.
God bless.
Ingat sila sa'yo.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
Are you all in the Philippines?
Yes, why?
I'm just asking.
Yes.
Which part of the Philippines?
In Mindanao.
Mindanao?
Yes.
Do y'all speak Tagalog? I'm trying to learn Tagalog.
Yes, I know how to speak Tagalog.
I can't see you. Who's talking? I'm trying to learn Tagalog. Can you help me learn Tagalog? I'm in America.
You know how to speak Arabic?
A little bit. Are y'all Arabic?
Yes.
Yes, I hear you.
A little.
Oh, sweet.
Aywa. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
See?
Walaikum salam. كيف حالك?
Alhamdulillah.
الحمد لله.
Guys. Nagka-nosebleed mo.
Manu nosebleed.
The language of Arabic.
من وين تتكلم عربي؟
Is in kalam?
من وين أتعلم عربي؟
أنا شغال رياض.
Oh, ما
After
شاء
1
الله.
month. أيوه.
ما شاء الله. بس تكلم تاغالوج بعد. بس ممكن أتكلم عربي.
Not.
شوية
I'm
يعني.
not. Yay. ممكن نص.
نص. ممكن تكلم تاغالوج.
Yeah. You know how to speak Tagalog? Inti malum.
Marunong pa ako Tagalog.
Oh, marunong ka mag-Tagalog.
Marunong ako mag-Tagalog.
Nahihiya na tuloy kami. Marunong ka pala. Palaka, charing. Uy, bababasing mag-viral ka.
Palaka.
Kabalo ka?
Ha? Pala.
Palaka.
It's not palaka.
Palaka.
It's not palaka. It's not a frog.
Palaka is right.
Pala is not the same.
Spin.
Palaka.
Huwag na kayo mahiya. Tayo Pilipino din naman ako eh.
Hay.
Oh,
Talo.
nahiya ka.
Uy, kamanta. Mura mo siya gawin sa ibang bansa.
Kamusta po?
Ba?
Vlogger ako.
Pag nakalive na ipas mo, kailan mo.
Kamusta kayo dyan? Kamusta kayo dyan sa Mindanao?
Mabuti naman.
Mukhang gusto mo maipag-usap ni tatay.
Uy, yun si tatay.
Sana all tatay.
Kamusta po?
Okay lang. Ito pa rin, gumagwapo habang tumatagal. Habang tumatanda, yun.
Habang tumatanda, gwapo, no?
Oo, habang tumatanda. Habang nagkaedad, nagkakagawa po. Nabubulol.
Bisaya na yata yan, tatay ah.
Hindi.
Hindi yung Bisaya.
Para kasi siyang ano eh. Naka-live ka?
Naka-live ka ata eh.
Hindi po, nagre-record po ako ngayon. YouTuber ako eh.
Ay,
Yan.
patay. Nagba-viral na.
Ang galing mag-Arabic ni, nanay.
Welcome to Omi TV. Yes.
Ano pa?
Sabi ko, ang galing mag-Arabic ni nanay, mashallah.
Oo, yan.
Hindi pa ako marunong.
Galing abroad pa to. Pero babalik din
galing
to.
pa pala Riyadh eh. Sige po, ingat po kayo dyan sa Mindanao.
Sige po. Salamat po sa pag...
Sige na, God bless. Ingat ha. Hey, kamusta po?
Ay, nagtatagalog. You know Tagalog?
Konti.
Konti. Okay.
Ano, Panggalan mo?
RD.
RD?
Yes. Ikaw.
Panggalan ko Faye.
Faye?
Opo.
Opo. Can you sing?
Hindi po.
Just try it.
Anong gusto sing?
Kahit ano. Panalang. Hindi.
Kahit ano.
Ibang trip to! Bad trip!
Kahit ano.
Yo, bro. You're good. You're good, bro. That's
Kahit
fire.
ano.
Oh, sheesh.
Like that?
Higher.
Kahit ano.
Oh. You're good. Here is my grandfather.
Oh no.
Hello po, kumusta kayo?
Umuti po.
When you talk to my grandson?
Yes, sir. I want to give him Gcash.
Ticket? Gcash? Oh. How much?
Yes. I want to give him a gift.
Ah, okay.
Do you speak Tagalog?
Good.
Yes.
Your grandfather, does he speak Tagalog?
Yeah.
No, let him speak. Let him speak.
I
Do you
speak
speak?
Tagalog.
Do you speak Tagalog, sir?
Yes.
Hindi mag-Tagalog lang tayo, sir.
Sige. Saan ka ba nakatira? Saan ka ba nakatira?
Dito po sa US.
Ay, Tagalog.
Sa Pilipino po ako.
You are the Filipino.
Tagalog. Pinahirapan pa kami.
Pinahirapan mo daw yung dalawang ako.
Ang galing nga po nila mag-English eh. Ang galing itong mga to, hindi nagno-nosebleed eh.
Alam nila kasi foreigner.
Saan po kayo dyan?
Sa dulo ng Pilipinas. Sa Apari, Cagayan.
Ay, Ilocano po.
Opo.
Yes.
Opo, sir.
Ilocano po kayo, Tatang?
Ilocano, Tagalog. Ay,
Ilocano mat lang.
Okay.
Oh.
Taga Debensiha, Tatang.
Ay, Ilocano kami, guys.
Nag-YouTube ako ngayon eh. Kasama kayo, nire-record ko kayo ngayon.
Ay. Ayun.
Oh, yeah.
Subscribe. Ayan.
Share na kayo, ha?
Grudge mo na para.
Andyan siya. Naka-live ka pa.
Hindi ako naka-live, nagre-record ako.
Naka-live.
Nagre-record ako ngayon.
Record na.
Ay. Sayang, hindi ko kayo nabigyan ng Gcash.
May Gcash si Daddy. Magkano ba po, Nukan? Magkano po?
Eh, wala si daddy mo dyan, di ba?
Daddy ko kami.
Meron po. Pwede pong masabi sa kay Mami.
Oo, kung sinikilala nyo na
Kung sinikilala nyo na para sigurado magbibigay sa inyo.
Alam mo, yan yung
Usap nila.
vlogger mo.
Hindi po scam.
Hindi po scam.
O, hindi do.
Takot si Lola.
Mi,
Hindi ako si Lola.
may kakausap sa'yo, vlogger. To.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Bibigyan ko po sana ng Gcash yung...
Bibigyan ko po sana ng Gcash yung anak nyo.
Yung dalawa, bigyan ko sana ng Gcash.
Yung dalawa, bigyan ko sana ng Gcash.
Me, YouTuber. Hindi, totoo yan, me.
Oo.
Hello, kuya.
Daddy,
Bigyan ko sana ng Gcash yung
Oh.
dalawa.
YouTuber yan, di.
Bigyan mo na yung Gcash number mo
May
Bigyan
Gcash
ko
ka?
po sila ng Gcash.
Wala akong Gcash, di. Ikaw, ah.
Papadala ko na ngayon, ha?
Ay, papadala ko na ngayon, ha?
Mabait itong mga anak niyo, eh. Gusto ko bigyan ng regalo.
Gusto ko bigyan ng regalo.
Mga ano na, followers ko na yan, sir.
Thank you po, thank you.
Magkano sinend, di?
Sinesend ko pa, teka lang, teka.
Excited.
Send ko pa, teka lang, teka.
Excited ka kasi masyado.
Pang merienda nyo ba to?
Opo. Opo.
Ito.
Yun, ayun na di, oh. Nagsesend na
Magkano
di.
yan? Magkano?
1,000
1,000 yan, ha?
1,000
Tag 500 kayo.
yun, ha? Tag 500 kayo.
Oh, 1K. Thank you po. Thank you
Wala
po.
nga naman. Okay, ingat ha. Subscribe na lang.
Bella.
Kita tayo sa YouTube.
Subscribe na lang. Kita tayo sa YouTube.
Oh,
Opo.
sige.
Opo.
Yeah, bye. Peace. God bless. God
Bye,
bless.
peace.
Bye.
God bless. God bless.
Bye. Thanks po.
God bless.
Agyaman at
God
kanyayo.
bless.
Agyaman at pinyayo.
Okay.
Nagyaman nakmet.